The mighty Padma is flowing day and night. But the life of many drivers like Suraj Mia remains static and stagnant over Padma. The government of Bangladesh has truly noticed the people's sufferings. Therefore, the visionary leader, the worthy daughter of Bangabandhu, the Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina, has decided to construct a bridge over the Padma. Defeating all the impediments and conspiracies from home and abroad, the process of construction of the bridge finally started in the year 2013. In 2013, Abdul Monem Limited was awarded the prestigious responsibility to construct approach roads at both ends of the mega bridge and one service area. Mr. Abdul Monem, a self-made and self-driven man, and also one of the most experienced persons in the country's history of civil and road construction, has used his expertise, devoted and skilled manpower and high-tech machineries for the timely execution of the Dream project, which has passed above international standards. His dynamic and uncompromising leadership has made the ultimate result a history. The engineers with their technical hands worked day and night to accomplish the assigned tasks. They were supported by thousands of people, including the government machinery, under the direct supervision of the Bridges Authority and the Honourable Minister of Roads, Highways and Bridges of the People's Republic of Bangladesh. The day is not too far off when vehicles will ply on the Padma Bridge and the long queue of vehicles on both the banks of the river will be no more. The dream of millions of people will be a reality. Very frequently, Mr. Abdul Monem has physically rushed towards the work site to personally supervise the execution of the project work. He was committed to ensure international standards. His dauntless leadership has guided the project directors to implement their task with maximum care. Another international establishment is Service Area 2, which will be later converted into a resort. The aesthetic beauty of reception and motel accommodation building will impress everyone. 30 duplex houses are also of world-class standard and fascinating. The resort is equipped with badminton court, volleyball court, gymnasium, health center and swimming pool, and it can compete with any other international resort. Approach roads are made of 9 layers. Sand, brick pieces, black stone and dense bituminous surface have been used in making the base of the roads and finally dressed up with asphalt wearing course. Each and every square feet of the roads have been strictly secured with laboratory tests. Mawa and Janjira approach roads have been completed in 2016. Both roads are of 4 lanes with width of 27.6 meters. Janjira approach road is 10.50 kilometers long. According to the rules of International Highway, 12 kilometers service road has been made for local people. 8 underpasses have been built for easing local transportation. 5 bridges and 20 box culverts will be protecting the road from flood and flash flood. 2-kilometer-long Mawa approach road is also accompanied by 3-kilometer service road. At Mawa Point also, Abdul Monem Limited has built a world-class service area. The untiring effort of 250 engineers and 5,000 workers has made the approach roads and service area visible in a period of only 3 years. These people are now become the part of the history of country's first megastructure. The roads glitter in the twilight, waiting to be connected with the main bridge.
পর্যটন টেলিভিশন দেখা হয় নাই চক্ষু মিলিয়া।